Sky 那个不知道什么娱乐场，它现在。
各位乘客，本班车即将到达目的地。为了您的安全着想，车辆未停定时，禁止离开座位。离开车厢前，请有序带齐所有行李及个人物品下车过關。感謝乘坐港珠澳大橋穿梭巴士。
各位乘客，本班車即將到達目的地，為你安全着想，車未停定時，禁止離開座位。離開車廂前請有序提取所有行李及個人物等落車過關。多謝乘坐港珠澳大橋穿梭巴士。
Dear passengers, our bus is about to reach its destination. For your safety, please remain seated until the bus comes to a complete stop. Before disembarking, make sure to take all your luggage and personal belongings with you. Thank you for traveling with the Hong Kong